Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your navigation menus. So when you first install the theme, the navigation at the top will be completely blank. And so let's dive into our dashboard and adjust or create our navigation menus. So you're going to go under Appearance and Menus, and you will do everything basically under Appearance and Menus. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new menu, and you can either create your new menu here, which will be an auto-generated version of all your pages, or you can click Create a New Menu text link, and I'm going to call this one Main Navigation. Then click Create Menu, and it's really simple. From here you can just see your list of pages, see your list of posts, etc., categories, post formats, all under this side menu, and you just select them. So for instance, let's do our home page and our Contact Us page and full width page, and click Save Menu. And once you've saved the menu, you can view your site, but it's not done. There's one more step. The next step you need to do is just set your navigation menu to here, which is done under Manage Locations. So now that we've created our just basic menu, we can go to Manage Locations, and it tells you your theme supports one menu, and it's called Primary Menu. Which menu do you want to select as your primary menu? So it's pretty easy. We only have one, so we'll select Main Navigation, click Save Changes, and now that's saying this menu belongs up here. So when we refresh it, you can see how that works. It's really nice and easy. And once you've set up your managed locations, once you do not have to touch it again, you can just start editing your menu as you need. You can drag and drop to change the order of items. So for instance, Contact Us, sorry, I clicked off of that. So now Contact Us is going to be in the last instead of full width, and you can keep adding pages. So now that you know how to click and add pages, it's all really easy. Drag and drop to change items. You're probably wondering, where are my rooms? And the rooms are actually hidden, and you can just enable them, and it's kind of like Manage Locations. You're only going to need to do this once. If you do not see room categories and room posts, just click under here on Screen Options while you're editing your menu, and you'll notice the two unchecked boxes are categories and rooms, and they popped up right here under rooms and room categories. So now we can select our room categories. For instance, if I want to link to my rooms category, I can do so there. Save the menu, and you can see it appearing here. So now when I click rooms, I'll get that list of my rooms. And then in the live preview, we actually link to the posts, and so you can link to the posts as well. And in the live preview, we have the post as a sub menu of rooms, and it's really easy to do that. You can just grab your item and you slide it directly, you indent it a little bit underneath the item above, and the text sub item will be added. So you can keep doing that to all three of these, just like our live preview. And it's basically saying these three are now sub menu under rooms. Save that menu, and when I hover over rooms, you get that sub menu. So once again, it's really easy. You can just drag an item. Let's put these under full width, for instance, indent it over a little bit, drop it, and it will automatically become a sub menu. So now full width and rooms both have different sub menus. If you want to remove them back from the sub menu, you can just drag them off back, and they'll be removed from that sub menu. A couple other things to go over is, let's say you want your home page has a name like Featured Packages is what our home page has. You kind of don't want all that text there, but you want your home page to be named that, since it's what displays under the content area. Don't worry, you can just click on this drop down arrows and get extra options, and one of them is the label of the navigation item. We can just delete that and have it only be home. Click Save, and now our home is just a text link. Very cool, very easy. And that's also how you would remove an item. You can just click on the down arrow and click Remove Item and save your menu. So it's really easy. You have a lot of control over your menus, drop downs, categories, posts, all that good stuff. All done under navigation or appearance and menus.